Hey there guys, Tim with Perkins Roofing here, and today you can see behind me we have a 2- and 3-story townhouse condo association re-roof project. You can't really see the roofs from here because it's so high up, but behind me you can see the little one here, and there's shingles up there. And I'm gonna throw the drone up there right now before we get started, but we are starting this project this morning. This right here is the first building of the project. There are 4 buildings and they add up to 320 squares. What is that in square feet? That's 32,000 square feet. You can see our area for vehicles is already blocked off. We have a nice porta-john for our guys to use during the project. And there are the roofs. So let's take the drone up and check it out so you can see the before product before we get this bad boy rolling. We're on day 2 of the job right now after starting yesterday. You can see our little area that we have behind me for demo. We built a ramp up here so the trash can go straight from the top into the trailer behind me, and we put tarps up to protect the area from any falling debris. Now let's go to the roof and check out the progress after 1 day. All right, you can see behind me that the first day we did the demo of about a little more than a quarter of the roof and dried in with the tin caps. See where the guys are right now in progress. They are on the 3rd out of 5 gables on this first building. This is the smallest building too. And it's about 9 a.m. right now on day 2. So you can see they're doing pretty good. Got the ramp behind me over here. And very simply, all you're doing when you're doing a shingle roof is you demo, get rid of the stuff, change out the bad wood, and then we're gonna put in these tin caps and nails into the 30-pound paper. I'll turn the camera around so you can see what I'm talking about. So this is the tar paper. This 30-pound tar paper is put on every single type of sloped roof. It goes on under shingle, tile, and metal. And it goes on the same way with these nails right here and a tin cap to hold it down. And this isn't all of the nails and tin caps we're gonna need to pass code. We definitely need a lot more. However, this is just tacking it down. Take the shingles off and then take off the old paper and then check the wood and replace any bad wood. So we're here at the end of day 2 now, and you can see we have half of the upper roof completed, demo, tin cap, dried in. We have to still put our valley metals down in the valleys of these gables. We still have to put our perimeter metal, trying to move my arm at the same time I'm doing this, down here at the eave. We're trying to save the gutters here so that we can reuse the gutters. And we also need to put our dry roof, because they're doing a 4-star certainty warranty. So we have to put dry roof in all the valleys here with the metal. And then also at all the penetrations, the roof vents here, that have the dry roof. So there we are at the end of day 2. So you can see right here, these are the valleys of the roof. To put the dry roof there, and the valley metal at the perimeter. There will be new drip metal. The ridges are going to have new ridge vents. So up here now on day 5 of the first building. We were supposed to start today the second building, along with working at this one and starting the shingles and doing the details. But due to the permitting issues that we're currently having, where the permit was not released yet, we were able to slow down a little bit. And we went ahead and did the valley metal in the valleys you can see behind me. And we started the valley metal and the drip metal around the perimeter. So you can see here, we're installing the valley metal on the roofs. You see the valley metal here. And the dry roof is being installed today on building 1. No work being done at building 2 yet. Harnessed up. So here we left the L metal and the stucco metal for now, and just bolt in the wall transition. You can see our shingles down here for this floor. Here's our shingles, but you can see, and you see the nails and the tin caps, but right here on this transition, this L metal is nailed in there. Usually we try to replace the L metal and slip it out, but there's no way to do that without cutting the stucco metal out. And if we're gonna do that, it's gonna create a lot of stucco work for this building. So the inspector still might require that. We're not sure yet. But you can see like this window detail there. If we cut all that out, it's going to make it very tough to work here. And it's gonna be a lot of stucco work on this building all the way down. So I wanted to point out, you can see some of the cedar fascia was changed where it was rotted out on that big spot on the gable there, and then this part of the eave. And then you can see up here, we've installed the drip metal, whereas down here, there's no metal yet. So you can see there, it's white, and here you just see the wood. So there's the drip metal installed up there. You can see from the aerial footage that we have installed the valley metal on all of building 1, and underneath that is the dry roof. And you can see also in the aerial footage, we have started the install of the dry roof in the valleys of building 2, even though building 2 is not yet completed as far as the demo. Building 1, however, the demo is complete, tin caps installed, drip metal is installed, valley metal is installed. Everything is done per high velocity hurricane zone code, where you have 4 inches per fastener on the drip. You've got your valley metal nailed in properly. And next will come the shingle in progress on building 1. We are currently waiting, and we've run into issues on delays with the building department because this particular building department is apparently short on personnel, only has 1 roofing inspector right now. So he has to inspect all the permits, approve all the permits, and then inspect all the jobs. So we are a little bit behind as far as it comes to the project status at the moment. So behind me, Beacon just got here to load up the drying order for building 3 and building 4. So we're gonna go ahead and get these 2 buildings loaded up. I'll let you guys go. Thanks for watching the video. If you have any questions about the shingle roof drying process, feel free to comment, feel free to reach out. Please like and share my videos. I hope they're informative. I hope they are entertaining and somewhat. I hope at least the drone videos are cool. So if you like this stuff, please like me on YouTube, like Perkins Roofing on YouTube, and give us a follow. Thanks.